Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by isolating the text so edits stay reversible. Duplicate your background layer instantly. This preserves the original. Next, use the lasso or pen to select the area around the text. Feather slightly, about 0.5 to 3 px so the repair blends. Then run content-aware fill or the patch tool to remove the letters. This creates a clean background patch. Once done, make sure the repaired area matches surrounding texture and lighting before adding new text. You now replace the text by matching style and perspective. First, sample colors with the eyedropper and refine nearby texture with clone stamp so the new letters sit naturally. Pick the type tool and choose a font, size, and kerning that resemble the original. If needed, use transform or warp to follow perspective lines. Put the text on its own layer, then adjust blending mode, opacity, and layer effects so shadows and highlights read correctly. This is where the edit looks believable. You finish by refining and exporting. Create soft shadow and highlight layers to match scene light, blur slightly for realism. Convert your text layer to a smart object and apply non-destructive adjustments. Small noise match color or levels, so grain and tone match the photo. When satisfied, export with the correct resolution. If you see visible seams or mismatched texture, heal them using the clone stamp, patch tool, or try frequency separation. This fixes color versus detail issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.